Hi, in previous video you learned how to create a table in MySQL database, and in this video we will learn how to insert the values in the table. So let's start. I have created a table restaurant. Here you can see restaurant type, restaurant name, address and budget. We have to put the values in the column. So let's see how I am using. First you have to write insert into, and then table name restaurant, values, round bracket. You have to put the values in string format. Here first is our name, means the restaurant name. uh, Delhi Sweets, comma, and then next is our type, restaurant type, sweets and bakery. Third one is address, Delhi, and the last is budget. I am putting 50 lakh. Your no, in the round bracket and semicolon. Here value is inserted, select and execute. You can check your value is inserted or not, so you can use select all from restaurant, select and execute it. Here you can see the values: our name Delhi Sweets, our type sweets and bakery, address Delhi, and budget is 50 lakh. So you have learned how to insert the values in the table. I hope you understood. Thank you.